B pluses? You were supposed to get A's! What? But Mom, the test was so hard!
Yeah, we studied so much!
Okay, how about this? Next time if you get A pluses, I'll buy you Apple products.
Oh, that means I can get a new phone!
I can get earphones!
Yeah!
Then make sure you bring me an A plus and not this. Mom, look!
Yeah, look, check it out! We both got an A+!
Yeah, look! Good job, guys! Let me get your presents! Here you go, I hope you like them! Awesome!
Oh, thanks, Mom! Oh, what is this?
This is just a regular apple! Just as promised, you got an Apple product! Man, you tricked us!
That's not funny, Mom!
Max, open up! I need the bathroom!
Hold on, I'm getting ready for my date!
You a girlfriend? Hurry up, get out!
Oh, why is she so mean? Oh, I'm gonna prank her! Luckily, I got some hot sauce. Now I'm gonna switch it out with the toothpaste. Now it's time to add in the hot sauce. I gotta fill it all the way up. Enjoy your spicy meal, Lily. Alright, time to get out of here.
Took you long enough.
Yeah.
Oh, I have to rush now because it took so long.
I'm gonna rush her so she doesn't notice the toothpaste. Lily, hurry up! I forgot something in there!
Nah, I gotta go faster now! Hold on! I said wait a minute! Oh,
I got her good!
is this hot sauce? Oh, Max! Oh, Max, can you help me clean? It's so messy in here.
I'm busy, ask Sophie!
Sophie, can you help me then? Can I just help tomorrow? But I've been cleaning the house all by myself. Oh!
Huh? What?
I'll give these back when you guys finish cleaning.
Are you serious?
We have to clean now?
Oh, man. Sophie, let's hurry up and clean so we can get our stuff back.
You're right, let's get started.
Yeah.
Huh? Why is it so messy? Oh, I can't believe this room is like this. I have an idea. I'll hide his game here, and when he cleans, he'll find it. All right, let's go see Sophie's room now. Oh my gosh, this is even messier than Max's room. I'll hide her phone here so when she cleans, she'll find it.
Mom, we're done!
Oh, let me go check on them.
Mom!
Whoa!
Everything's clean now!
Yeah, can we get our stuff back, please? You guys did a good job, but go clean your rooms too. They're so messy.
Rooms too?
Yes, your rooms too. Fine.
Oh, it's not even that messy. Oh, done. Okay, I'll clean this too. Huh? Oh, my game. Mom just wanted me to help around the house. I'll finish real fast so I can play again.
It's not even that dirty. Just throw these here. Hey, my phone. I'll just finish cleaning up real fast. Oh, they both finished cleaning their rooms. Awesome.
Is this a joke, Lily? Why'd you get me a rock?
I got you so good. Happy birthday.
What, a rock for my birthday?
Hope you like it.
Lily! Oh, I can't believe she'd do this. I'm gonna get her back. Oh, she's not here yet. Perfect. Oh, there's her hairspray. I'm gonna switch out her hairspray for a silly string. I just gotta put on the label. Tape a fake hairspray label to a can. Now I gotta get out of here before Lily comes back.
I gotta get ready for my party. I could wear this blue dress, but I gotta do my hair first. What should I do with my hair? I know, I can slick it back. Oh no, I should hurry. What is this?
I got her good. That's what she gets for giving me that rock.
Is this silly string? It must have been Max.
Lily, wake up. We gotta open our presents. Wake up, wake up, wake up.
It's time to open them. Let's go.
I got you. It's actually tomorrow.
Why would you wake me up just to prank me? Are you serious?
It's because he's so easy to prank.
Why does Max always prank me? I gotta get him back. Okay, where are Max's presents? Max. Oh, I'm gonna prank Max by zip tying all of his presents. Make sure you zip tie it nice and tight. And get the other sides too. There's no way he can open this now. Let's do the other ones. Now all his presents are zip tied.
Hey, what are you doing? Wait, are those my presents? What's going on? Did you zip tie these?
You bet I did. That's what you get for waking me up.
How am I supposed to open these now?
I don't know. Good luck.
Oh, man.
What, Max? You didn't give me any presents?
What presents? Why would I do that?
Fine, but don't rub it in.
Why would I get a present?
Max is being so mean. I'm gonna give him a prank present. I'm gonna duct tape his presents to the tree. Alright, now I gotta tape it to the tree. The trap is set.
Hey, what are you doing? You're not messing with my presents, right?
No, I gotta go.
Was she doing something with my presents? What the?
I got you so good, Max.
What, are you serious? Help me get this off. Come on.
No way.
Hi, everyone.
Did you guys like the video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Remember to give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.